some kind of meadow scene with a path running through it. I've done a scene similar before, and maybe some hills in the background and perhaps a few trees or bushes dotted around. But I haven't got the final result yet. We're going to work that out together. So to begin with, I need some kind of land. I'm going to Shift A and add a plane, and we'll scale that up a bit. I just press 0 on the keyboard just to see what my camera's seeing, but we may move that around later, of course. So GY just to move the land around a little bit, and I'll raise it up a little and grow it somewhat. So that if we look at this menu on the left hand side, we can see that there's more options than simply number of cuts. We can also adjust something called Fractal. If I start to play with this, you'll see that we actually start to get some vertical displacement as well as the basic subdivision. If I increase the number of cuts now, you can see that more clearly, and we can choose different patterns with the random seed. So I'm going to go for a low number of cuts to start with. I want some coarse variations, this sort of hills. I quite like that, and I'll move it around a little anyway. So I'll accept that, and I'll press W and subdivide again. This time I'll turn the fractal amount down, but we'll increase the number of cuts again. So this is now sort of smaller but higher frequency wobbles in the surface of the land. And maybe one more cut, and that'll do. But I do want to rotate this, and that's looking quite interesting. Now, one of the things we've got here is I can see the edges of the land here. They're in view. So as I will typically do, I'm going to select these proportional editing and then grab the Z handle and just take that down. And I'm using the middle mouse button just to adjust the amount that I'm using surface. I'm just going to do Control 1, which is a single level of subdivision surface. I'm going to scale this